Is learning n8n or make.com still worth your time?
The game just changed and most people have no idea.
Time going into 2026. So after building AI successfully for years with make.com, n8n, lovable, but how we're building these AI systems is fundamentally changing right now. There is a huge shift. Now, you can now automate, essentially, with words. Let's take a live example. Let's say that you wanted to scrape.
Building AI systems used to take months and thousands of dollars in coding skills. Now, you literally just type what you want and the AI builds it for you. We went from hiring programmers to having conversations. This is the biggest shift in automation since the internet itself.
The #1 AI newsletter by subscribers in the world, which at the moment is this one called the AI Rundown. How do you most easily accomplish that? Maybe you want ideas for your social media content, maybe you just want to get the information.
Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go.
We used to just build workflows. We load it up, we'd grab our coffee, which, by the way, if you haven't had, grab that coffee because we're going to lock in and kick some butt right now. We'd normally build workflows on make.com, on n8n, and then labor through it and make it happen or use a template. And this requires skill and time.
But here's the thing. There's a tool that lets you deploy these systems in seconds without touching a single line of code.
So system one, we're going to begin with something called Lindy AI. Lindy AI, if you think about it, is a really good example of how you can very quickly stand up mini pre-developed AI systems. So for example, if you check out, we're now at the point where you can basically browse and deploy systems in seamless ways. And there's many different platforms to do this, n8n, Make, Lindy.
It's called Lindy AI. You don't build anything. You just browse a library of pre-made AI systems and click deploy. Need an AI assistant to schedule your meetings automatically? Done. Email responders? Done. It's like an app store, but for AI agents that actually do work for you.
Aria, there's lots. But let's say that I want to remove the need of whenever I have an email with somebody, that I just want someone to schedule it for me, and I don't want to hire a personal assistant. Well, we have a system for that. So if you check out on the left, say I want to come down to emails. I click on emails, and this shows me all of the templates that exist for emails. I can, if I want to, click on this meeting scheduler. This is actually going to blow your mind. These are the apps that it uses: Google Calendar, Lend Utilities, Forms, and Email. I click on Add. This is freaking wild. This is where we're at now with these AI systems.
But what if you want something custom? Something nobody's built before? That's where the real power kicks in.
Level 2 is n8n. I'm going to show you two really important things that you have to understand about n8n. Now, roughly a few weeks ago to a month ago, we had this feature released here, which is Build with AI. Now, when it came out, it was exceptional and we loved it. Something's happened over the past, I don't know, week or so, but basically it has gotten to the point where it's insane. You still want to learn how to build workflows, guys, but how good this has gotten.
n8n just dropped something called Build with AI. You literally describe what you want, like scrape Reddit and find me the best posts for my content. And it builds the entire workflow automatically. No dragging, no connecting, just type and done. It's not perfect for complex stuff, but for beginners, this is a cheat code.
Is actually crazy. And I want to show you right now. So if I click on this and I said something like, hey, I would like you to create me a Reddit scraper, okay? And I'd like you to scrape the top 20 posts from the n8n subreddit. And then I want an AI to analyze those posts. And I want you to give me 5 best posts that would be relevant for my channel, which talks about how to turn AI automations into income, and my school community, which is about building AI systems and monetizing.
Now here's where it gets insane. What if you could build literally any app you can imagine just by having a conversation?
Three is going to be using Gemini and Claude Code to build apps that can do effectively anything that we want to. So instead of using n8n and creating scenarios, which is still amazing and that's still really important, what we can do now is just say to the model, what do I want? And it will physically build it for us. Now, there's still going to be a little bit of back and forth with these things because they're not what we call one-shot. No, they just say and it happens. But the capabilities for this are literally crazy.
Gemini and Claude Code let you build full custom applications just by talking to them. Not templates, not pre-built stuff. Anything you can describe, they can build. Want a custom dashboard that scrapes newsletters and organizes everything beautifully? Just tell it what you want and watch it happen in real time.
Now, the way that I typically start these processes off is I begin it in aistudio.google.com and I give it a prompt. The first step that I usually make is I'll get a different model like Claude or ChatGPT to create for me an SOP.
Before we continue, quick heads up. If you're watching this and thinking, I like the idea, but I want to see how this actually works in practice, I've linked a free training below. It breaks down the exact system and workflow we use, shows how it's already structured, and explains how people use it without having to figure everything out from scratch. If that sounds useful, the link's in the description. You can check it out anytime. Now back to the video.
A big prompt, then I throw it into Gemini. Once we've done that, we end up with something really cool. As you'll see in my last video, this dashboard here, which is flipping code for amazing. And it can build essentially anything.
So now you know the 3 levels, but which one should you actually start with? Here's the answer.
All that in mind, what is the thing that you should be doing next? Because what I'm doing and how I'm building workflows is changing. So if you are a beginner, it is still really important that you learn the makes and the n8ns to know how to workflow build. There's still a very strong future where you're going to need those skills because even though we're getting to the point where we can give prompts now to things like Gemini and Claude and it can build it.
If you're a complete beginner, start with Lindy AI. Deploy something today. If you want to build a real skill, learn n8n workflows because that foundation still matters. And if you're a business owner, stop overthinking. Pick one bottleneck in your business and automate it this week. Different tools for different purposes.
You're still going to want that final level of granularity and fine-tuning to make the models do what they want to do. So there are still scenarios where I would 100% use n8n and I wouldn't use Gemini. So it's different tools for different purposes. All this is really saying is that Gemini and Claude have come. They've kind of blown a lot of the vibe coding stuff out of the water, to be honest with you, because they're just that proficient.
The gap between having an idea and making it real is getting shorter every single day. The only question is, are you going to build or keep watching others do it? If you like this video, gently hit the like button. If you dislike this video, then share with your friends and family. Because whether you liked it or not, it could be helpful to your friends and family and your social media contact. And if you think we are doing our best to try and explain to you how you can change your life, and you want to watch the next video, then make sure you subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button. And make sure you ask your friends and family and social media contacts to subscribe to our channel, switch on the notification bell button as well. This way, you will help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 3 months. To learn more money techniques, watch these videos, and we will see you on the next one.